Welcome to 6830 Bears Path Lane. This gorgeous 1.5-story home is located in the renowned master plan community of Sienna Plantation. Sienna features a ton of amazing amenities, including resort-style pools, walking trails, a golf club, shopping, and dining. This home is located near the entrance of Sienna, which gives you easy access to Highway 6, 59, and 90. You are also zoned to top-rated Fort Bend ISD schools. Let's take a look inside. As you step into this home, you'll be greeted with high ceilings and beautiful wood flooring that flows with the study, dining room, and living room. This 4-bedroom and 3.5-bath home with an open concept floor plan is perfect for the whole family. With all of the bedrooms on the first floor and the game room on the second floor, entertaining guests would be a breeze. The open chef's kitchen with granite countertops and a large island is great for your largest of parties. The large master suite features a sitting area to relax and enjoy your backyard. The master bathroom has an oversized tub and a standing shower. As you step out onto your covered patio, you are greeted with a large backyard and plenty of mature trees. You can turn this into your own personal retreat. Thank you for taking this tour with me, and call the Seth brothers today, because this could be your next home.